Hey YouTube, Aaron Davis here with another really quick product review. What we have here today is B8A4 2-liter engine mounts. It's a passenger and driver side kit. An engine mount is what mounts your engine to the frame, and it also absorbs all the vibrations caused by the engine so the driver doesn't feel anything. These do tend to go a lot. There's no real mileage on when they go, but things to look out for are weird vibration noises when you're accelerating or decelerating. And also, if you are curious, you can also scan the vehicle. These are electric, so the ECM does keep track of them, and you will see an open circuit when these go bad. And the easiest way to see these is on a lift. They're right there. You could see sometimes goop runs down the side of them, so you'll really know that it's time to do your engine mounts. It's roughly a 5-hour job. The driver side is a lot easier compared to the passenger side, because the passenger side you're fighting the turbocharger. You're gonna need an engine hoist so you can lift the engine up and actually sneak out this side. This has been another really quick product review. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below, and I hope to see you soon.